April arrives, and Alex sees a tax bill that could empty his business account. Months earlier, strong client payments made his growing balance feel permanently safe. He treated every deposit like spending money instead of future obligations. But self-employment income often arrives without taxes already set aside. Quarterly estimated payments help freelancers reserve money before filing season arrives. The exact amount depends on income, deductions, and professional guidance. His first repair was separating business cash from personal spending money. Then each month, he reviewed income before choosing what he could spend. That routine turned surprise deadlines into planned, manageable business tasks. He also stopped confusing a profitable month with money he owned. When income changed, he adjusted his plan instead of hoping it worked. A qualified tax professional can help match that system to your situation. By his second year, tax payments no longer threatened his operating cash. Earning more helps most when every dollar has a deliberate job.